Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today we're going to be trying out a mascara from Wet n Wild. Literally went into Rite Aid and I looked around and tried to find mascara that I'd never tried before. I don't know if this is new. I don't think this is new, but I've never tried this before. I've only tried like one or two Wet n Wild mascaras, so I was like, let's give it a shot. It is the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. The packaging drew me in and the name drew me in, and the picture of the girl's eyelashes too. That's the packaging. Maximizes every lash dimension. Caution, lashes that break the rules. Multi-dimensional. Built-in fiber formula, boosts volume and length. Says volume, length, definition, and curl. What else could you want for your lashes? Smudge proof. There's really not too much more on here. So let's get into the video. My thoughts on this mascara: it's not a bad mascara, but it's also not a great mascara. So okay, the packaging, let's talk about the packaging. So this is what it looks like. So like setting it down like this is like, woo, you gotta play like the wobble game, like is it gonna stand up? Yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's very narrow on the bottom here. And then the wand, okay, I've seen this type of wand before where you have like the little ball on the end. See, like I'm like trying to set the mascara down and it's like, and I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. I don't like that the bristles on the ball are longer than the bristles like on the brush, like the regular brush part. I wish they were the same length because I liked to coat my lashes with this part first and then go back in. I don't know if you saw, but go back in with the ball and coat the lashes after. But because of the fact that the bristles on the ball are longer than the bristles on the regular part of the wand, it's hard to do that. You guys catch what I'm saying? Do you even know what I'm saying? So yeah, I didn't even bother putting it on my bottom lashes because this ball is just like, I don't know. Otherwise the formula is okay. I just don't like the ball on the end, or if there's gonna be a ball, the bristles need to be the same length as the other part. Do you guys even get what I'm saying? Does that make any sense? Because of the fact that this was only $5.99, I don't regret buying this. I don't think it's a bad mascara, but I also don't think it's like, yes, go out and buy it. It's like, yeah, you know, maybe if you know, have $6 to spare, go try it out and see how it works for your lashes type of mascara. I'm not telling you no, stay away from it, but I'm also not telling you, yes, go run out and buy it. Does that make sense? I feel like I have to do a lot of explaining in this video because I feel like I'm not making sense. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.